Don't let your AC system get knocked out by the heat this upcoming summer. Call KS Services and let our team come take a look. We repair and install all makes and models. We even offer a free no-hassle quote and second opinion, so give us a call today. With our flexible financing, you can literally pick your payment. We may even be able to help you knock down that utility bill a bit.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition for Tuesday, June 26th. I'm James Spann. It's summertime in Alabama. You know what that means? It's going to be hot, humid. We'll have storms around in the afternoon. Let's check it out. There's the upper air look. Got a trough across the country's midsection today. The main dynamic support from that will stay north of us. And down here, a flat ridge, which means it'll be another hot summertime day. There's the watch warning map around the nation. Flash flood watches for parts of Kentucky, little northwest of Chicago, and down here, the counties in orange, that is a heat advisory. And that would include Tuscaloosa and Montgomery. But understand, it's going to be hot everywhere. You go from Tuscaloosa County, where there's a heat advisory, to Jefferson County, where there's not one. You won't notice the difference, but in theory, the reason they issue those, that's where the heat index could hit 105. But everybody will be in the 90s today, mostly low to mid-90s. There's the severe weather outlook. We have an enhanced risk of severe storms for parts of Missouri. The main risk from Chicago down to Tulsa. Alabama with a marginal risk over the northeastern corner of the state. But again, for most locations, your typical summertime deal. Random scattered storms, and they could pack a punch. A lot of lightning, heavy rain, gusty winds. But organized severe weather, I don't think we'll have an issue with that today. Tomorrow, a marginal risk from the Tennessee Valley of extreme North Alabama up to Pittsburgh and Cleveland. And on day 3, which is Thursday, a risk of severe storms way up north. And down here, we're solidly in the green, which means the random scattered convection. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. You see the eastern half of the country will have their opportunity for rain at times. In Alabama, every day will deal with scattered storms. Average amounts, 1 to 2 inches. Your number might vary. And off in the tropics, things amazingly quiet. I say amazingly, it's often quiet in June. The peak of the season comes in August and September, but things are pretty quiet now. And again, we note the SSTs, the sea surface temperatures, are cooler than average out across the deep tropics. That might limit the amount of activity we see later this season. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS, the 06C run, 1 o'clock this afternoon. This is at 500 millibars. Got a flat ridge here. Shortwave coming across the Midwest. And it will be hot. Sun this morning, scattered storms this afternoon. High today, 92 to 95. Very humid. And we're just going to sing that song for a while. Let's go through the dailies. This is tomorrow and Thursday and Friday. We'll expect highs low 90s late this week, lows in the 70s, and again, scattered showers and storms. Maybe a little more active Thursday and Friday, where you might have a 50-50 chance of getting wet. Let's check the weekend. This is Saturday, and this is Sunday, same deal. Highs closer to 90 for the weekend as the heights come down a little bit. And the main window for the storms, 1 to 11 p.m., Go to next week. This is Monday and Tuesday. Flat ridge, heights really about where they should be for this time of the year, and it's the same old song and dance. I wish I could sit here and give you some exciting weather changes, but we all know things don't change that much June, July, August here. Almost every day you say hot, humid, the chance of an afternoon storm, you're the winner. And we should mention Tuesday is the 3rd of July. This is around Independence Day, and it's going to be like this all next week. Let's go out 10 days. This is Thursday the 6th. Got a 594 heat ring developing west of the state, but again, heights about where they should be here. This is suggesting a surface boundary could be just north of here, but again, same old deal. Hot, humid, scattered storms. Here are the numbers coming off the GFS. In a couple of days, you can see mid-90s, including today, but for the most part, a lot of upper 80s and low 90s on the board, lows mostly in the low 70s. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes in the blog. Next video here by 4 o'clock this afternoon. You can't catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Summer's just around the corner, and KS Services wants to be the team ensuring your comfort. We repair and install all makes and models, so give us a call today to get a free, no-hassle second opinion.
KS Heating and Air, the team ensuring your comfort.